Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn exactly how to delete your signature on the Gmail mobile app. Whether you're updating your email settings or just want cleaner messages, this quick guide will walk you through every step clearly and simply. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to edit. Once you're inside the app, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon. From there, scroll down until you see Settings and tap it. If you use multiple Gmail accounts on your phone, you'll see a list of them here. Select the account whose signature you want to delete. Each account can have its own unique signature, so double-check that you've chosen the right one. Next, scroll down until you find an option labeled Mobile Signature. This is where Gmail stores the text that automatically appears at the end of every email you send from your phone. Go ahead and tap that option. Now, you'll see the signature box containing your current text, maybe your name, a company tagline, or a quote. To remove it completely, simply delete all the text from this box. Once the box is empty, that means no signature will be added to your outgoing messages from the mobile app. After deleting the text, look for the OK or Save button, depending on your device. Tap it to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully removed your signature from Gmail on your mobile phone. From now on, when you compose a new email, you'll notice that extra line or message at the bottom is gone. If you ever want to add a new signature later, like a different name, phone number, or professional title, you can follow these same steps again and simply type in your new details. Deleting your Gmail signature on mobile is that simple. A few quick taps and your emails are back to a clean, professional look. Thanks for watching.